Welcome to my very first tutorial regarding Ansys. And before starting my tutorial, I would like to introduce my research site, Artificial Intelligence for Structural Reliability. Here you see I have linked my YouTube channel here, and it's my favorite coach, know thyself, and this is my research project, one which I am working now. Recently, to build a 3D model, I may go through for Ansys for creating the 3D model for these three projects: wind turbine, additive manufacturing, hypersonic missile. So, if you need to contact with me, so just click on the contact, and here you can see where is my cell number, and here is my information. Here you can just hit here and contact with me if you face any problems. So let's start today's tutorial. So uh, when you just open the Ansys Workbench, so you see this type of windows, and here first of all, for the very first tutorial, I wanna introduce to you some very basic things that will help you for you. So you can see here from for the very top portion here, you can see file. So just click on file. Here you can see that you can there are several options here. So I will introduce you later by part, so don't worry. So here is the most important things is you can see here open. By clicking this open, if you have any Ansys project earlier times, you can just click open and open your project by clicking here. By save, you already know about it. Just for saving your project, just save. If you just reassign the project name, rename, so that's why you can save as, import if you want to, for example, external geometric figure, so you can import from here. And okay, then if you see here view, so here there are many options here you can see. So the most important things is toolbox. So if you just uncheck toolbox, what will happen? There is a null, there's nothing, so don't worry. So just go to the view. Sometimes you will face, when you just open your Ansys, you will see nothing here. So for this reason, I just introduced to you the toolbox. Just click on toolbox, so you can see your um, toolbox here, the left side. So you see here some files. So here is actually your toolbar, and you see I will introduce the other parts in later. So just you see here tool, there's some option here, just click on option. You see here, and there are several things you see here. You see the most important things is the appearance. So you can change the color by clicking here. So I can do that later. Okay. Okay. So okay. Then unit. So it's a very important topic. So I will introduce you. Then extension. Here you can see the several things here. Whenever I need these things, I will introduce you. the job. So help if you face any problems. So just go through the help. You will find your solutions there. Okay. So for the very first tutorial, you see it's a very short tutorial. By creating such type of short tutorials, I am sure about it. You will be able to get the points and being expert in Ansys. Okay, thank you very much for your time and obviously watching my tutorial. Thank you.